Yo guys, here's a recap of the trade I took today. I do not have my camera today because it's not working for some reason, so at least we got the mic, so let's do a recap. Alright. So this is right here. This is London session high. We completely swept it. Got a 5-minute breakish, 5-minute breakish structure to the downside. So I was waiting for a 5-minute confluence to open up. Boom. You got the fair value gap. I love fair value gaps. So I marked it out with a box. Then scaled down to the 1-minute time frame and waited for a tap into the fair value gap. Boom, we tap into it. We then get the breakish structure right there. And I get stopped out. But I don't care. Like, you should not be getting mad if you get stopped out, bro. If you have your trading model and you've back tested it and you know that like your strategy is profitable, like I know mine's profitable, like with around a 60% win rate, and take profit, partial take profit at 1 to 2 risk reward ratio of half the profit, then a quarter of the profit at 1 to 3 ratio, and the rest of the profit is at 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. So yeah, I know I have a profitable strategy. So boom, I just gotta keep doing what I'm doing every day. So I'm chilling. So yeah, following your trading plan and having a strategy, like, that's the secret to profitability. That's the sauce. Just, you gotta have a trading model that's super simple and clear. Like, the setups are clear and you just execute based on that. So yeah, thank you for watching the video.